Can we get a nice pullback? Well, good morning. Oh my gosh, I'm finally awake. Let's get started. Well, I've already started, but I'm just kind of not fully awake. Here we go. Just hit the news, this one. How well this is gonna do. BCAG's been beat up for a long time. Jeez. That's rough, rough. I mean, we can get a nice dip here. Can we get a nice dip? Hmm. Could continue a little higher. Fourteen. So they're up there. 17, 18. Wow. Okay. Good. Strong stock. That's what we like to see. Back to 15. Mm. 16, 20. It's actually really good. This is good. This is good. This is good. This at the open could be amazing. Back down. There's a seller up there at 1820 then. Seller. Big seller up there, walking it down. It's all right. LFS looking quite interesting here. 63, 70. Hmm. And low volume, it's very nice. Oh, bite the ass, great. Shoot, almost bought market. 81. Feel like it's not gonna wait for anyone. We have lots of buyers here. I could add a little lower here. We got a cushion of the day. Let's see if we can add. There was a good add. I wish I added first up there instead. I got a little too carried away. Bought 81. Here we go. We can get a nice dip here. 71. Just don't break 70. You know, just don't break 70. I like this volume coming here, but we have to hold. We have to hold. Don't break 70. Here we go. Little dip here. Below 75. Below 75. Hmm. Not quite. Not quite. It's a tiny little dip. We can even see it to 7. Don't break 70, but even here, 63 could still look good, but it has to be a fast reclaim. And I wish I didn't buy it at 80s because this is looking much better. Oh, yeah, I missed it. 75 held very strong. 84, 81 is this high. We're gonna go through it then. Sellers, massive sellers at 90. I'm gonna have to wait here. Yeah. I'm gonna get out right there. There are massive sellers at 90. So gonna get out for a small loss there. I do want to see this dip. I do want to see this dip down here. Do want to see this dip. I think we could dip here. There's going to be support, I feel like. So okay, this says it went down to 72. I didn't see 72. Or maybe I wasn't watching, looking at the chart. Seventy-four. Oh, that's crazy. I'm getting in there. 75. Oh, my level 2 froze? What's happening? No. Did it freeze? Or are there really no orders here? What just happened? There's no volume here? Why not? What's happening? Maybe the algo is turned off or something. Don't like this. It's kind of weird not seeing the tape move. I'm gonna get out. Don't like this. Don't like that it just nothing's going through. I don't think that's a good sign. So kind of shocked the volume just went down to 24K. Like what? Okay, ended up going. I'll try it again. So that's not typically a good sign in my eyes. But we'll see. Could have gone 50-50, honestly. Watching this dip under 72. Man, at the open, if it dips under 72, might do it now. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Why is the volume so small though? Maybe it's waiting. Maybe the algo's turned off. I think, yeah, that's what happened. The algo's turned off right here. They're waiting to squeeze it. Could that be the case? Because I bought it 75 and there's only 24,000 shares. Like, that's nothing. That's like retail. So I'm thinking the algos are gonna pump this thing so hard at the open. I'm ready, man. I'm going to be ready for this. Here we go. Let me get a trade in here, bro. Get a trade in there. Let me get a trade in there. It went right there under 72, but here we go. There it is. I'm gonna catch this dip, man. I'm gonna catch this dip. Find that right there, 70. Find it again, 60, 68. Beautiful. 400 shares of 69. Waiting for the open. Oh, don't, brother. Oof, I got a little angsty there. All right, we're gonna take this. We're gonna take this. We're gonna take this into the open. Oh, come on. Ah, that dip looks so good, bro. But I think we can still see. Oh, come on. You're really. What's it gonna be? 64. Nice. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. I'll take it off here. 84. Bro, that was crazy. That was crazy. That was insane, bro. What's it gonna be? 70. Profit taking right before the open. BS, bro. Good amount of volume came through. 600 share, 600,000 though. Not the biggest volume yet. Hold is 450. That's good. This is good. So I have this is 87. Let me catch this thing. How well are you gonna hold for? There's absolutely no chance this thing is gonna get down to 4. I mean, I took it right there. 20s. Gonna size up here. What's this high? 87. So I'm gonna get here. 4 holding. I'm gonna take a dip down there. Dip under 4 needs to hold 87. Very choppy here. Okay, dip under 4, dip under 4. Dip under 4. I'm sizing up in this guy. Big boy size. I get too crazy over this. So here we go. We got this move here. 387. Give that dip, bro. Give that dip. There are sellers, there are buyers. There are buyers waiting to get in here, like myself. 10 is gonna hold. Barely holding 10 though. Yeah, pushing 20. And held strong. Gotta be patient, wait for my setup. If that setup doesn't come, I mean, there's a seller at 50. So I think they're expecting 50 to get hit, but let me see. I'm expecting a dip under 4. Dang, 410. 410 area keeps holding. Wow, bro. There it is, 95. In a 95. That's an excellent trade here. I know a good trade when I see 195. I want to add on this bad boy. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Watching this next candle. I want to see this through. I'm gonna have to sacrifice my unrealized profit for this next leg. We'll see. Stop is flat at this point. If it comes down to 95, I'd get out flat. Four's gotta hold. Four's gotta hold, bro. Come on. Nice, nice. Good hold at 4. 412. We got strong buyers here. I'm gonna see this through. I need to find a good place to add. My one to stop me out. 95, 87. Should I move my stop down to 87? Let's keep it 95. This is taking my flush. So first 1 minute candle, make a new high right there, 411. I'm gonna take it and then move my stop to break even. Ready for a squeeze, brother. I'm ready for a squeeze. There it is. 12. There it is. 12. We need to fold above 11. Oh, oh, shoot. Fudge. I added by mistake. I added by mistake. Dang it. I meant to click away. Ah, so annoying, bro. Ah, that's so annoying. I added by mistake. I meant to click like down here. Whatever, I'm gonna add here. Retest of 95. That sucks. Bro, okay, 98. Good, 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 good. This is excellent. Now let's go. Let's see this. 13. 13 is that air. This thing is ready for a squeeze. The dips are working like freaking beautiful, man. Hole 13. Hole 13, I'm ready to size up here. Watching here. 14 seconds. This can hold 13. There's a seller at 20, but we can break through this seller. Watching here. This micro, micro. No chance for a micro. Nice. Out right there. Too bad I got out 17. Some of it 17. Ah, wait, that was beautiful. A micro at 17. Okay, that should have taken that. Note to self, take the micro at 17. I was ready for that, bro. Ah! Good, 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 good. I'll take 400 shares. Coming down here. Let's get a dip here. Let's get one more green candle. Low, that's 38, maybe somewhere in the 30s. $36. I'm getting here 36, 37. I mean, I just think this thing is just going to keep going higher. Wasn't this stock SSR? Wow, that's amazing. Okay, we may see a dip here though. We may see a dip here. Looking for a dip down at 26. So I got out of that. There's a seller though. That's why there's a seller here. So, oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, there's a seller though right here. Low 30s, low 30s. Low 30s. Hmm. I was looking at the chart. I was looking above at the 5 minute, and I missed that. I missed that dip. I missed that dip. Dang it. Maybe there's another dip. 2022 is that stop. Oh, we bought that 20. Mm, don't like this. Ah, got the bit. Dang it. Ah, Ouch. Okay. And I exit on the bid. It didn't get filled. Hotkey confusion here. How much did I buy? 1,000 shares? Bro, I lost too much. That drop. Dang it. I lost what? 120 on it? Dude. Ah, that sucks. That sucks. That really sucks. That was a great dip. Let me see. Want to buy a little lower? There it is. 95. 87. Mm, 4. 4. 404. 402. 95. Good bounce here. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. We got a cushion on the day. 90. Please hold. We can get some buyers in here. That's my gap. I gotta respect my gap. Respecting my gap. There you go. There's sellers up there though. Yeah, the volume is shifting, right? Shifting against myself, so I'll get out right there. All right, I'll take the 500 bucks on this stock. Man, whatever. Let's move on to a different one. 20 here. BIYA. BIYA, 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 BIYA. 13. 13 here. 13. Give me a little dip. 13. 15. 13. Nice. Good. Don't break 13. Let me lock in some here. 15. It's SSR. Don't break 13. Okay, breaking 13. Back to 13. Uh, bro, this sucks. Get out. Ah, all right. We're just giving up money. Enough is enough. Here we go, this son of a gun. We got 11. Could you be the one that goes here? Sellers on this though. Big, big. Target 140. 140 target. Can we do it? Can you do it? SSR. Squeeze these, squeeze these, squeeze these shorts. Need to find an entry. Maybe 14 area. A little lower. A little lower. You know I can get a good grip on this thing. See how well you're gonna hold this gap. Please enter the gap. Please enter the gap. There it is, 14. Where are you gonna fill me? 15. Fine, I'll take that. I saw 14 on the tape and I was ready to press it. 17, 18. Okay, not yet. Let me see if I can get a little lower here. Stop on that is flat. Come on, 13. 13, 14, come on. Show it to me. Show it to me. I know you can squeeze here. 13, 14. Was waiting for that 13, 14. I really was waiting for that 13, 14. Dang it. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. 18 now. Can you hold 18? Nope. Sellers up there. Ooh. 18. $19. I'll get in here. Let's go. Stop is 18. I fixed my hotkeys because I was having some kind of trouble, you know. I was having trouble messing around with them when I'm in a trade, so I made him reduce the size to make it a little faster. Okay, now I got 400 shares here. Can we keep going? Can I build a trade here? Gonna get a move to 40 now. There was a lot of selling, so I unwinded a little bit there. The daily looks like there's a lot of sellers, so maybe I can get back in here with a bit more size. This stock, bro. Come on, come on. Been buying here. It's a good amount of. I'm looking at the stack on the bid, bro. Battle this one, and it's not smooth. Here we go. Dip. How well you're gonna hold this dip? I'm gonna have to take 1,000 shares here. Just a little size. 87, 86. This might be too premature. Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Very good, very good. We can see $1 here. $85 to 82. Higher float. So what does the daily look like? Daily looks decent. Daily looks okay. Hmm. Before I want to take it 84. I would keep it tight at 84. Decent dip at 84. Don't want to see it get too comfortable at 84 because I'm able to come down further. This is good though. Oh, again. It's a seller though. I sell her at 86, pushing it down. There's gonna be some buyers at 85. Good. PhD. $5 million. How much? 100,000. Let's see. PhGE. News? No news. Well, news yesterday. Mm, mm, this one news or no news? That's what I was thinking it would do. I mean, if it can do a gap reclaim here at 82, it could still be in play. Otherwise, we're going for this dip at 70s. Let's see how well this thing is gonna go. Your buyers here. Oh, market order. So 81 to 78, basically. It's a red gap, so it's respecting this red gap, but we have the wind on our backs, and we might be able to break that. Hopefully there is a dip here. Let's see. Let's get a dip here. New 5 minute. 79 dip. Come on. So it doesn't want to dip. I need to chase. Ooh, that was kind of a delayed fill, but we'll take it. We shall take it 80. 80, 80, 80. Come on, come on. Nice, 82. There's some buyers here. Taking half hour right here. So it's a red gap, so I'm waiting for this to maybe give me some better confirmation. That's good. That's good. Hmm. Looks like he's gonna respect that area one more time. or maybe not. We'll see. Selling again, 83. Only 200 shares here. I'll look to add if it comes in a little lower, maybe. 5 minutes looking good. If it's something that wants to continue, I'll continue to size up. Once I start building a cushion, 100% try to do this. It needs to break this red gap, so I'll be patient. Wait for that. Okay, these guys are sitting right here. You guys are sitting right there, but we're coming with a little more strength here. So what's this high going to be? 81, 82. Keep it real tight here because I would need this to be working right away. Yep, got it right there, 3837. Nice, 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 nice. Selling half right there. Okay, good. Hold these 400 shares. Let's go for $1. Let's go for $1. Let's build a good position here. Once we start breaking those sellers, it becomes a different stock. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Could also take a dip. So right there a little more. I want to take a dip. I want to take a dip here. It's moving, so I need to capitalize on this move. So I want to take a dip. Not sizing up too big yet. Sellers popped in at 85, 84. Man, they're freaking eating all of it up. Holy smokes. Oh, wow, I missed that at 82. Wow, that was huge. Buying it at 82. We need a couple more trades, a couple more candles, maybe here a few more candles to make the curl. Continue to step up. There are sellers or sellers sitting. I don't have much size going into this. I'm waiting, and it's kind of like a one that you have to give it room, you have to give it time, but having 200 shares in here puts me in the game, keeps me in the game, so that I can add here the 82. Hmm, you 5 minute. What's it gonna be? So there's enough room here for this thing to dip into this area. 81, 70. I mean, I would like it to be controlled, maybe 81. The collapse of 81. Keeps testing 82. Here we go. Keeps testing 82. Big seller 82. Let's do it. Buying it here 82. Bro, buy it. Not delayed fills, man. 83. Looking for this to hold. I bought it 82.99. That's good to see. It's not going as fast as I would like it to go. I'll keep an eye on it. Good, that's what we like. 84. Taking some out. Good. All right, let's go. Let's build a good day here. Oh, come on. Back to 83. Back to 83, 84. I sold 83.90, 84.7. Now this thing, I mean, I would like it to hold 83. There was at my 90. I might need to get in a little lower, but just letting it play out. Letting it play out for now. If it breaks 83, I might take this out. It doesn't want to push out of this gap, you know? Here we go. Now we're pushing out of this gap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. It's got heavy sellers there, bro. Gonna unwind here a little more. Gonna unwind there. It doesn't want to break. All right, there it goes. There it goes. These topping wicks were not giving me good confidence there. So we're gonna have to add here. Oh, come on. Waiting for the curl, waiting for the curl. So there's sellers at 85. Taking it out. That rejection. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can catch it a little lower. It's still in play. Can catch it down here, 79. 80. Their buyers are 82. Buyers at 82, so it's strong. Still watching it. $1 is a magnet for sure. $1 is a magnet. So you can get another div 80, then bounce, but we'll see. Here we go. If it starts holding over 85, man, this could be really good. Oh, there it is. Shorts get squeezed, brother. Ah, no, no freaking entry for me. Oh, you no. I had that entry, bro. I had that entry. I just had to jump in. All right, let's squeeze these guys over $1. Squeeze these guys over $1. Yeah, let's do it. 97, 98. I'll add 98. And then I need adding here. Boom. Let's go. Nice. I'm leaving this alone. I think that was the party. The party came and went. That's it. Man, if it wants to small size too, just 1,000 and 1,000. What's it gonna be here? I mean, if you, what has to happen? I mean, shorts, they're re-adding right above, they added right above one. So maybe this might be the end of the party. We'll see. We'll see how well it holds 92, 90s again. If it's really bullish, maybe we might hold this level 95. Explosive though, it was very explosive. That's crazy. Man, we could keep going. Let's see. Little volume though. Trading over $1 could be different. 99. Don't want to get caught in this garbage though. If it's just a bait, if it's just baiting, I'll keep it small. I'll keep it real tight. I'll keep it real tight here. Yeah, I'll keep it real tight. Let's go. Keeping it real tight. Let's go. Let's go. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. Squeeze these shorts. Keep on squeezing. Keep on squeezing. Come on. There you go. Two, three, four. Four. I might add here if it wants to keep going. Adding out, 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 out right there. Just a bit. You can tell when these things are coming down, when the bid size is coming down, the bids are coming down, and then that's when you know sellers are taking over. We'll take it. Very good trading, very good momentum today. I mean, we've had momentum like this a few times this week, and then finally today's a day where I grab it by the neck. I grab the market by the neck and squeeze. All right. I'm gonna call it here. Up 690, very strong day. Very strong day, strong commitment to my strategy. Man, the accuracy, I turned it on its head. Look at this. Yesterday, 23. Today, 72. Very good accuracy, good winners. I'll leave my winners for longer. Very nice trade. Very nice trade. Trading. Um, Even though I ate a few big losses. No, one big loss there. All right, well, let's take a look today. So the day started with LFS, a very good stock. Bought it right here as a man, 7 a.m. came in, saw this dip. I didn't take it. I did see it. Oy. Slipped my fingers and I thought, man, that looks so bullish off the gap. I'm getting in here. Boom, in right there, 57. Just 200 shares. I felt comfortable just 200, or was it 200 or 4? I guess it was 400. Yeah, I guess it was 400. Okay. So 400 in there. Chopping around, yep, 400 because I decided to take some off at 60 just to unwind a little bit. There was still a gap here, so I'm thinking we might still retest, but no, we got this out 60, kind of sort of flat, half of it flat, then 84, then 403. We got a good winner right there, just with 400 shares. Next, we got a good dip right here into the gap, 16, then out 40, 27, 40, and then the rest 13. How much size on this? 200, reduce the size on it. Next, we got, I try to go for a dip here. What was this? Don't quite remember what was the setup. Maybe a 5-minute gap. Um, Try to go for the same setup again. Then finally caught it 74, out 85, out 97. It kept going up to 418. Wow. I was kind of surprised because there was a big resistance here. Then caught it again here. Nice dip, 99, 87, 88. Very good. Um, yeah, yeah, $4 had resistance. So I tried to hold as long as I could, but that's what it gave me. Next, I bought this too high. Why was this? I gotta see the replay. Why? I think I just bought this too high and I got too impatient, I think. And then I just sold flat because after seeing all of this, I didn't think it was going to do it. There was a little gap right here, so I thought maybe it's gonna go into that gap. And then I bought it here 75, 76, and it was stalling. I mean, it stalled because the volume only 30K in volume. Like that's not good. So either somebody turned off the algos or nothing was happening, and I didn't see that as a good sign. So next trade. Okay, so the next trade was a bit of a what do you call it? Uh, I would say it was a bit of a controversial trade for me. There was a massive gap here. That's for sure. Let me see. Was it? Was there a massive gap there? Let me see. Well, uh, there was a massive gap, wasn't there? Yeah. Here, take a look at this. I mean, eventually it broke, but look at that. There you go. That's the gap right there. Okay. Sorry, now just put it on the screen. Okay, so that's the gap I'm looking at. So controversial because I held a little too long, and there was a tiny gap here as well. So the high of this was 70. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm at the low of the gap. There's another gap down here too. The high of this is 63. So we got support. We got a lot of support. Then we got a bigger support. Um, yeah, we got bigger support all around us. Initially, I thought, okay, break of 70. If it doesn't hold 70, I'm gonna get out. It held 70, 69. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna add right here. VWAP is also there. Um, and I ended up folding, and I'm thinking, man, there's gonna be profit taking right before the open. I thought it would just honestly, I had to curve my expectations. I thought it was just gonna go because of how well this setup was forming. And I held. And the other thing, I was only holding 400 shares, you see? So 400 shares with an average of like 69, I think, or 70. So went as low as 52. I was ready for this to break 50 and stop out like in the 40s and just whatever lose most of my day, basically lose like 80% of my day on this trade. Anyway, I stay committed to this out 83. And I did something like this earlier this week. I did something like this earlier this week. Shoot, was it here? I did something like this earlier of this week. Was it on June's? Yeah, it was on here. Watch this. Yeah, here we go. I did something like this earlier this week where I held something for a very long time over a big gap and then it just failed, right? So the open profit taking, which was what I expected, and then I thought this thing will curl, didn't actually do that. So today, today, uh, wait, oh, okay, here we go. Today, today, what trade are we looking at? Which, this one. Today, I was kind of surprised there was profit taking at the open, before the open, a minute before the open. So I'm thinking, okay, the profit taking is early. This might actually work. Out 83 just in case, because I thought this thing might return back, you know, come back down again. But it gave a crazy move. All right, let's speed things up a little bit. So we got that, and that was a good sign of bullishness. Then we got this 13 out 20. A bit of a scalp trade, sized up 600 shares. Um, yeah, sized up, just kind of wanted to get it out, trading the range. Then I got this beautiful trade here. So um, nailed the dip, awesome. Added by mistake. Honestly, added by mistake. I was a bit nervous because I was holding 1,000 shares, so I was sizing up big time here. I was basically up 1,000 shares. Yep. And then I sized up again at 12 by mistake. By mistake, I clicked on the ask. I was a bit nervous. Then I was like, oh, okay, I don't actually like this. Out 12, out 9. And I was like, man, I kind of ruined the setup now. But let's stay put. Let's keep watching. Then boom, added right here, 98 on this dip. Committed one more time. This is where improvement comes in because I'm thinking there's going to be a micro pullback to 13. We don't see it. We see it to 17, and I decide to take profit instead. To take profit 17, 24, and 35. Man, this was perfect spot for an ad. Boom, ad right there, another 1,000 shares. Out right there, 35, 40, 2,000 shares. That would have been amazing, amazing, amazing. So this was the biggest trade we had today. Awesome. Then we tried to take another trade here, another stab on the gap and go. Not quite was going to work. Then we try to go for a dip. Oof, I got rocked here, 1,000 shares. Yeah, I got rocked right here. Not great, not great. Giving back some profit. I thought it would hold. There was a nice gap right here being formed. No, no, did not work. Then I took another trade down here because there was another gap. Looking for support in the 90s and under 4 and yeah, 90s right under 4. We did see it climb over to 403 and I'm holding, but no. 92, just a bit of a loss there. Reduced size though, 600 shares. All right, then we got BIYA. I tried this a couple times. It looked pretty interesting. It was holding very strong and I thought this would go. 13 out 10, worth the shot. 15 out 15. Why why was this? Oh yeah, because the gap below the gap was 11 and I just didn't want to hold for too long. It was an obvious sell this one. Then I got then I got 19 out 22, 21 and then 18. So not great. So I got some of it back right there. Yeah, I got some of it back here too. Anyway, then we got QTEX. One of the guys over at the chat room called this out. It's a bigger float, so I wasn't looking at it. Nice dip into the gap. extension 8283, small size, only 1,000 shares. Then we got another one, 1,000 shares in here, out 86 and 84, scaling out. Added one more time, 83 on the dip, looking for the squeeze, looking for the move higher to $1. I know it was going to come. I knew it was going to be there. Out 84, out 84, 84 again, and bailed out 82. And then came this big trade here. So I knew once it started to print 85 on the bid, it started to hold 85, it's just going to squeeze. I just had a good intuition. I don't know if I said it on the video, but maybe I did. Um, and it just flew. It just immediately flew, and I didn't get it. I didn't get to catch a good. I didn't get to. Yeah, I didn't catch a good entry on it. Anyway, added 95 on the pullback, and I said, man, if shorts are gonna get squeezed, they're gonna get squeezed over one. Luckily, this one didn't break one yet, so 95 in right there, 95. Added 99 for the break, and boom, out 104. Excellent, 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 excellent. Then I got another one here, dip at one. It was holding one, so many buyers and so many sellers, but buyers took over in out 305 right there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. 4 wins on this, 100% accuracy, up to $100. Man, I know other traders who made so much money on this thing. It's ridiculous. But here we are. That's all right. It's the growth of the growth, yeah, the growth as a trader, right? You have to commit and slowly sizing up. So 690, beautiful day. It puts a really nice green stamp on the month. 690, week is 862. Ah, this kind of sucks. A lapse of judgment yesterday made me go into max law, so definitely don't want to do that too much or anymore this coming week. Anyway, that's it for me. 855 on the month, green on the year, of course. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try the 7-day free trial, watch our demo on YouTube. I have to update this demo because we have more features, so I'll have to update it. And try a free trading analysis tool, select the broker. Add the file for today, just click use free analysis. It'll be good. What you'll see, it's going to be this view that I always show you. It's a great view. So I'll go between different stocks, see your performance per ticker. And the best feature that everybody loves is the charts. The charts is a great feature. Anyway, join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Check our 7-day free trial. We're kicking it over at the Discord, so traders, come join. We're making call outs. We are trading as a group, so please join us. That's it. So Monday is going to be a holiday, so we'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye bye.